Can carbs affect CO2 levels in your blood? Let's find out. Living with COPD means being mindful of what you eat. But how do carbs fit into the picture? I'm going to tell you what you need to know right here on this board. So, number one, I have energy source. Now, many of you know that carbs provide energy for our bodies. So, when they break down, they create energy, but they also produce carbon dioxide or CO2. When your body breaks this down, it can get into your blood. So, this is important for people who suffer from COPD because you may already have some extra CO2 in your blood. Now, number two, balance is key. So, carbs are essential. You can't just stop eating them, you really do need them for energy. But consuming them in moderation is crucial. Also, overeating carbs can lead to an increase in CO2 production that can lead to shortness of breath. So, you want to choose wisely. Number three over here. So, what I mean by that is while you do need to eat carbs, you need to opt for complex carbs. So, this means you need to cut out those simple sugars and you need to focus on whole grains, fruits, and veggies. Now, I'm not saying you can't eat any of the other stuff, but this is in moderation. You want to choose wisely. This is good for anybody, but especially with COPD, it's just that extra nudge to keep you eating on the right track because you want to have sustainable energy, not spikes in your CO2. Now, finally, I have speak to experts. So always consult with your healthcare provider before you make any kind of dietary change. And they can help you personalize your diet and manage your symptoms effectively. So you always want to check with them first. But just a reminder, everybody is different. So not everybody responds the same way when their bodies break down their carbohydrates. Everybody's different. So it's important to remember that because some people can eat a lot of carbs and they never have to worry about their CO2 blood levels going up. But it is something that you need to be aware of. And if you're really having a lot of COPD symptoms, it's something that you can try to change and just see if you notice any difference. And other than that, eat well.